Textile Academy for everyone who wants to merge fashion and technology in a very different and modern ways.
Hello all, this is Dima Hijab, visual designer from FabLab Makerspace in Jordan. I've been taking this Textile Academy course for the past 6 months, and I've been working on this beautiful garments that you see behind me.
I'm really happy that I got this opportunity because I learned many things that I never thought they are possible. I look around in Instagram, like in the reels. I never thought that I'll be one of the people that will be able to do such cool projects.